So what you can also do is you can go ahead and then utilize different stylistic sets of fonts as you like. So to do that, let me just go around onto this font tool and then simply go ahead and type in. This is a paragraph right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and select this, you can see that I actually get this particular arrow down here on the bottom. So if I were to go ahead and then disable this O button right here, it won't show up. But if I were to go around and enable the open interactive type, you can see this downward arrow in supported fonts. Once you do that, you get different sort of stylistic sets for that particular font, as you can see right here. So for different type of fonts, there are different sort of stylistic sets, and for some it may be there, and if it is not there, then it won't show up right there. So if I were to go around onto a certain font right here, and if it is supported, then it'll show up the triangular option right here. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, this one right here, it doesn't show up. So few fonts actually go ahead and then have this option right here. So if I were to go around over here, you can also go around and then enable out the true type right here. And then what happens is that if I were to select it, the supported ones will actually show up. So not a lot, as you can see, has it, but this is Calibri, and you can see that this supports a stylistic set right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with stylistic sets inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.